who cut the St. Louis arch in your door there?
Well, it was a pack of gypsies who came through the neighborhood offering their
Those
services. That's what I said yesterday.
All right, this is what we're gonna put on. Let's take that for me. Let's see that.
First, they measure the width of the door and cut the sweep to match it exactly.
32 1/16.
This Duck brand sweep is extremely DIY friendly because it's so easy to install. The sweep simply slides onto the bottom of the door. It may require a little extra persuasion to slide it that last inch or two, but then with the door closed, you can use a putty knife to press the sweep down to the threshold to seal the door completely.
Let's go tackle that window.
Shall we?
Can you see this coming through?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, there's your problem.
Yeah, it's a slight gap.
This channel right here, I'll be honest with you, this is a gamble.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to get the amount we need. We're gonna put a little bit lubricant on this in the channel, see if it will go up. If it doesn't, that doesn't mean we can't fix it.
Yeah.
We'll just have to shim these pieces up.
Okay.
All right, so let me get some lubricant here.
Dry silicone lubricant is great for vinyl windows
There you go.
because it reduces friction without creating a greasy mess.
All right, so Tommy, we'll see if we can get this up in there. Now, by the way, don't go hammering on your windows at home. I'm a professional. See if you can lock this one now. That was it. It was hitting that. There we go. Ta-da!